So this question says the 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find that 41st term of that arithmetic progression. So as far as informations are concerned for this question, 11th and 21st terms are given. So we will write it. T11 is given. So T11 is 16. Look at this, 11th term and 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Respectively means here 11th term is mentioned first and then 21st term is mentioned after 11th term. So the number which is given here 16 and 29, first will go with 11 and this second number would become 29. So 11th term is 16 and 21st term is 29. So these are given information that 11th term is 16 and 21st term is 29. That is all about the given information. The next part of the question says, then find that 41st term of that arithmetic progression. Means T41 we need to calculate. We know T41 is an nth term. So it is an nth term. In order to find out T41, we need some values or some information from the given arithmetic progression so that we can substitute those numbers, those informations in our formula. And formula is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So according to this formula, you need value of a, you need value of n, you need uh, common difference. If you have these three numbers, you can substitute all three in the formula to get the 41st term of this arithmetic progression. But as far as this question is concerned, neither A nor D is given. Again, the problem is same. Okay, how we will get A, value of A and value of D, because first term, sorry, 11th term and 21st term of the given arithmetic progression are given. We need first uh, 11th and 21st term are given, and we need A and D. So since A and D are not given, so what we can do? So we shall try to find out the required values, that is value of A and value of D, with the help of given information. So given information is 11th term and 29th term, which is 16 and 29 respectively. So I'll use those two informations to get the value of A and D. So how we can use these information, that is important. So I'm going to convert them into linear equation into variable. So I'll get two equations in linear equation into variable, and when I'll solve those two equations, I'll get value of A and D, and A and D will be two unknown values of in those two equations. So first equation can be derived with the help of this information, and second equation can be derived with the help of this information. We know Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. This is our formula. In this formula, I'll substitute T11. So I'm going to take out equation for T11. So here I'll take T11. So n is 11. A we don't know. And here we're taking T11. So obviously n is 11 minus 1 into d. Again, we don't have value of d, so I'll write d. So this T11 we know. What is T11? So T11 is 16. So here I'll take 16 equals to a plus 11 minus 1, that is 10d. So this part can be simplified as 10d. Look at this, 16 equals to a plus 10d looks like an equation in two variables. So this can be written as a plus 10d is equals to 16, and this is my equation number 1. Now same way I can find out another equation with the help of this information. T21 is 29. Again I'll use same formula, that is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn, that is T21, a plus n is 21 minus 1. We don't have d, so I'll write d. T21 is 29, which is already given. So here I can take 29 equals to a plus 21 minus 1 into d will give you 20d. Again, we have another equation which can be written as a plus 20d is equals to 29. This is my equation number 2. Now, you have equation number 1, equation number 2. If you observe both the equations, they look like linear equation in two variables, where two variables are a and d. So we can solve these two equations to get the value of unknown variable, that is a and d. So this way, by solving these two equations, we will have a value of a as well as value of d. Now same method we can use to solve these two equations as we did in first chapter in linear equation in two variable. Look at this, coefficient of a in equation 1 and coefficient of a in equation number 2 are same. So if both the coefficient are same, simply I can subtract equation 2 from 1. So here I'll write subtracting equation number 2 from 1. So when you subtract equation 2 from 1, so here we can write both the equation a plus 10d equals to 16. This is my equation number 1. My second equation is a plus 20d is equals to 29. This is equation number 2. Now, since we are subtracting equation 2 from 1, so all the sign will change in equation number 2. Here I'll take minus, this plus will become minus, and this positive 29 will become negative 29. So plus a minus a, 0, plus 10 minus 20, so we'll give you minus 10d is equals to, subtract 16 from 29, so I'll get minus 13. Both are negative, so you can say the value of d is 13 by 10, or we can say d is 1.3. So any one of them can be taken as value of d, either 13 by 10 or 1.3. Now we have value of d. With the help of value of d, we can find out value of a by substituting d either in equation 1 or equation 2. So I am going to substitute my value of d in equation number 1. So here I will write substituting D equals to 13 by 10 in equation number 1. So when I'll substitute this in equation number 1, my equation number 1 is A plus D, that is 10 into D. D is 13 by 10 is equals to 16, like this. So 10 will cancel. So A plus 13 equals to 16. So 16 and A are on its place. This positive 13 can be transposed to the other side, will become negative 13. So thereby the value of A will become 16 minus 13 will give me 3. So first term of the given arithmetic progression is 3 and common difference is 1.3 or 13 by 10. Any one of them can be taken. Now it's time to find out. Question is about, question says find the 41st term. So T41 we need to calculate. This time you have value of A. So now we are going to find out T41, where we have, here we have A as 3, D as 1.3 or 13 by 10, any one of them you can use, and we need N is 41 and you need to find out T41. This we need to calculate. Again I'll use same formula, Tn equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. So T41 we need to calculate. First term is 3, N41 minus 1, common difference is 1.3. After substituting, you can perform your basic arithmetic. 3 plus 41 minus 1, that is 40 into 1.3. So 3 plus 4 into 13, 52. I'll take 0 here, so it will become 520, but here we have decimal. So when I'll plus decimal after one digit, so it will become 52.0. So we don't need to put neither 0 or nor decimal. So 52 plus 3 is equals to 55. So T41 is 55. This is your final answer. So 41st term of the given arithmetic progression is 55. Hope it is clear to everybody. Tn A plus N minus 1 into D. So I'm going to use this formula where Tn, nth term is minus 151. So here I'll take minus 151. This is my nth term. First term of the AP is 11 plus N. N we don't know. We need to calculate N. So I'll write N minus 1. D is minus 3. So here I'll take minus 3. So minus 151 is equals to 11. This plus and minus will become minus 3n. Minus minus will give me plus 3 ones are 3. So here we can write it as 151 is minus 3n plus 11 plus 3 is equals to plus 14. So minus 3n on its place, minus 151 on its place. This positive 14 will become negative 14 on the other side. So this way n equals to, you need to subtract 14 from 151. So when I'll subtract 11 minus 4, 7, then we have 4 minus 1, that is 3. So it would be 137, negative 137 upon 3, negative 3. So this way your n is, it is not divisible, not divisible. How 55? Yes, yes, yes. Minus 151 minus 14. So 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 165 upon minus 3. So minus minus will cancel. So it will give you 55th term. N is 55. So which term is minus 151? So you can say, okay, 55th term. 55th term of the given AP is 151. So this is your final answer, and this way you can solve this question. Hope it is clear to everybody.